Hi guys, welcome to our channel. If you're new to this channel, we're glad to have you here. If you want to know how to make this beautiful balloon setup, please stick around and I will show you how. For this particular video, I'll be setting up a balloon using this half moon arch backdrop from ubackdrop.com, and if you want to find out where to get this, please visit their website at www.ubackdrop.com and please use their code FEMBOM10 to get a 10% discount. So this is going to be an organic balloon cluster or balloon clouds. We will inflate this any size. This is actually 12 inches. Tie this together. Then you get another set. So now you have a quad, so an organic quad. So get another quad, and then using the balloon end from each quad, tie them together. Now you have your balloon cluster. So we'll just have to mix this together with all your clusters of balloon to make a balloon cloud. So I already have 3 clusters of balloon here attached, and again using the balloon end, connect them all together like this. Okay, and we'll put this on the bottom. So we'll connect this to these clusters. So again, the balloon end. Alright, so using our 260 balloon, we will attach this right on each base, okay? And then use this. Do the same thing on this side. So now we're going to use this clip. We'll clip this right on the curtain. And again, we'll use 260 balloon. I will actually tie it right on here. We're doing this because we don't want to stick it in on the wall. And I already have a cloud that I pre-made, and I will show you guys how to make this clusters of balloon later. I'll attach this here. So again, I'll be using 260 balloon. I'll hook it up there. So just tie it on here, just like that. I use 2 so it won't wobble like this. Alright, so this is how you make balloon clusters. So we have 2 5-inch balloon and another 2. Make them into quad. Use rubber band. Or if you don't have rubber band, you can always use your 260 balloon. Okay. So we also have this stars right here. And if you want to get one of this, please go visit our Amazon storefront, and we'll put the link in the description down below. So we'll stick this to our clouds using our balloon glue dots. Alright, so we have our sticker right here. We printed this from our Cameo 4 machine. If you want to know how to make this, we have a different video tutorial on how to make this right there. Please check that out if you're new to the channel. And there you go, guys, it's finally done. I hope you like this and learned something from this video today. If you want to know where to get this again, this is from ubackdrop.com. Please visit www.ubackdrop.com and please use our code that is FEMBEM10 to get a 10% discount. It's free shipping worldwide. Thank you guys so much for watching, and once again, this is FEMBEM NY. We will see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.